we got something nice for you. When you go to your dashboard in Ulazai, you can try out the new expert mode video generator. You could describe a scene, you could add a title, and select how much scenes the video should be. Then you can select a VO3 fast or a video API without audio. You can see it's a cheaper option. But for now, we're going to look at something we already created. We have entered a scene, a prompt. We could even adjust it here, generate new scenes. Then when we have entered the scene prompt, these will automatically be generated for you. We could even edit these or regenerate new one. For now, we're gonna approve and continue. And then we are going to look at the image that's generated. This is the image prompt, and this is the image that's generated. You could change the settings and use OpenAI, but for now we're using Flux. We got an aspect ratio that you could change, but for this is all set and done. Then we're going to edit images based on the first image. This is the prompt, and we want character consistency. So as you can see, the character in the first image is the same as in the second and in the third image. We could again adjust. Again, we could change the image models again to regenerate new ones, but we are happy with the result. Then we can generate videos based on the images with a video motion prompt. And just
another
to show.
Day, another mess. Gotta keep this house in check. Dishes piled, clothes to fold. Seems like stories never told.
So pretty cool. We can change up the settings. We could use a cheaper model for every video we want, and we can use VO3 fast. We can add a watermark if we want to generate a new video. We could change the dialogue if we don't like the dialogue of the character, and we can change the aspect ratio.
Dust the shelves,
these are
mop
all
the floor.
generated.
So much left to do, I'm sore. And he's
the only one that's
hey, get up. Chores aren't done. This
not
isn't
good
fair. I'm
is
no
the
one's
final
maid.
one. So
Time to
we are
help,
going
so
to
let's get
regenerate
moving.
this
shared
one.
home needs shared improving.
The man is speaking, but we want the woman to say this. Let's change up this, ulazai.com, and let's keep all the other settings and regenerate this video. Okay, it's currently running. I will pause the video to wait a second. I think the video is almost done. Yeah, there it is.
Hey, get up. Chores aren't done. This isn't fair. I'm no one's maid. Time to help, so let's get moving. This shared home needs shared improving.
Pretty cool. The character voice was broken. The man was speaking, and we added the audio prompt, and now the woman is speaking. This is pretty cool. So let's approve all the scenes and continue. And we are going to merge the video into a new video. So as you can see, this is the previous merged video, and now we are going to merge the video with the new video clips. Oh, it's already done.
Another day,
let's look
another
at the
mess.
result.
Gotta keep this house in check. Dishes piled, clothes to fold. Seems like stories never told. Dust the shelves, mop the floor. So much left to do, I'm sore. And he's just there, oblivious, watching screens. This is ridiculous. Hey, get up. Chores aren't done. This isn't fair. I'm no one's maid. Time to help, so let's get moving. This shared home needs shared improving.
Yeah, this is really good. So if you're interested in this feature, check out ulazai.com and start generating these long-form VO3 videos. Happy creating!